And let's create custom invoice with Shipzy Export Software. So I can find directly the option invoices in sidebar. So I'm hitting onto invoices and I'm going to add new. So here PI number is mandatory to select. This is not an optional case. So I'm selecting one PI. So after selecting PI, all this data I'm getting pre-filled, which I already filled in Performa invoice. So let's say if I'm changing payment FOB to CF and I'm heading $1,000 extra and $100 as an insurance, and I'm hitting including total and I'm submitting it. Save. On hitting save, it will create a PDF for me. The custom invoice is generated, commercial invoice is generated, and packing list is also generated with a single click. This is creating all three documents together. In most of the case, data will be same in all three documents. So let's check how it's coming out. So here custom invoice is made. So let's say I'm opening this custom invoice. Secondly, I'm opening commercial invoice. And thirdly, I'm gonna open the packing list. Okay, so this is how my packing list is visible. All the detail and PDF is made. Let us check now a commercial invoice. So commercial invoice is made and this is how it's look. And finally, let's check the custom invoice. So this is how custom invoice is visible. And with custom invoice, one extra PDF is generated of annexure. So if you want to stop generating the annexure, you can just go to master settings and hit settings. Under master settings, you have invoice setting. And from here, you can just make it enable. So this second page won't be created anymore. So this was about invoices. Thank you.